How much time have you spent thinking about what your home is made from? The concrete, the glass, the steel, the wood. And what about the things that fill it? In this 6-episode series, meet the radical designers transforming our waste into the materials building our cities and filling our homes.
When something is broken, it's cheaper to go and buy something new.
Not every designer sees that they're an important part of the solution.
In 30 years' time, there will be another 2 billion people in the world. They too will need homes and things. It's high time we rethink the materials we use, where they come from, and where they will end up.
We do often see waste as something that just needs to be thrown away. Well, actually, there's no such thing as a way.
Come with us and see the beginnings of a revolution that's building us a better world. A world where waste can be wonderful.